Today around evening time, one call is received from 100 dial. Immediately, my sector SI Sarangapani rushed to the spot. At that time, one godown is there, Sai Decorations and Events, Badangpet. On that, I myself and DA Mirpet, along with Blue Coats, rushed to the spot. Verified one person, Anup Pradhan. He is from West Bengal. Due to explosion of a organic chemical, he died on the spot. He recently he came to Hyderabad for labor work.
From how many days they are storing the chemical and the spot?
Nearly that owner Sai Vardhan Reddy says 10 years back.
Have you recovered all the body parts?
All body parts.
Is there any case against the
Against negligence of Sai Vardhan Reddy owner, Sai Events.